Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your CoolBot temperature. First, ensure your air conditioner is properly installed and compatible with the CoolBot. This device cleverly transforms a standard air conditioner into an efficient walk-in cooler, but correct setup is key. You'll want to confirm all connections are secure before proceeding to any temperature adjustments. Getting these foundational steps right ensures your system runs smoothly and effectively from the start. Once your CoolBot is physically connected, the next step is placing the temperature sensor. Position it in the center of your cooling space, avoiding direct airflow from the air conditioner for accurate readings. Then, power on the CoolBot and navigate its intuitive menu. Here, you'll find the primary settings to establish your desired temperature range, typically between 34 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit for most applications. For more precise control, explore the advanced settings. The differential setting allows you to define how much the temperature can fluctuate before the air conditioner cycles on or off, often set to 2 degrees. The anti-short cycle delay protects your compressor by preventing rapid restarts, usually set to 3 to 5 minutes. If your CoolBot's display doesn't match an external thermometer, use the calibration offset to fine-tune its accuracy. To ensure your CoolBot system operates efficiently for years, regular maintenance is essential. Keep your air conditioner's filters clean. This significantly impacts cooling performance and energy consumption. Always use an external thermometer to cross-reference your CoolBot's readings, ensuring consistent accuracy. Remember to check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips help you maintain optimal temperatures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.